Hey there, YouTubers! Hi there, Dr. Sheep here. I was hoping I'd put this pumpkin on my head, but surprisingly it's difficult to find a pumpkin that fits on this massive brain. Big brain! Anyways, today we're going back to the roots of my channel, DIYs. It's my first DIY in probably a year or so. Yeah, a year. Today is DIY pumpkin carving. Now, I usually list off the supplies, but the supplies are numerous. Very numerous. Anyways, let's just get started. So step one, you have to cut into the pumpkin, obviously. Now, typically what you'd use is a knife. And, well, take the knife and you start cutting around. But this is the 21st century. That's not good enough, but this is. Whoa, look at that. You gotta, whoa, that's a nice vibrator. I'll be back. I'm kidding. Alright, so, you know, this is the 21st century, alright? We have technology, and technology enables us to not need enables us to not use a steak knife. That was like cutting through butter. Oh, I'm gonna have to clean that off. Hello, dog. Anyways, the next step is my least favorite part. We have to stick our hands in the pumpkin and get out all the gunk. I know some people get squeamish watching this part, so I'm going to spare you the details. After you've gutted your pumpkin, the next step is carving. Now, there's multiple different ways of actually carving a pumpkin. The easy and most basic way, which you don't even have to gut the pumpkin to do this, is to just write on it. So as you can see, I wrote, subscribe. Now, it looks jank. It's totally not because I screwed up and put the I before the R. If that's what you're wondering, no. You can make it look however you want. Artistic liberties, of course. This is all just art. However, there are other ways. And some of those require a knife. Okay, so now we have the pumpkin here and we have a knife. So, knives are really good at one thing. That is sharp angles. So usually what you want to do is map out what you're going to do first. However, I am not a professional. I'm not advertising I'm a professional pumpkin carver. I am just advertising DIY pumpkin carving, alright? Do it yourself, alright? I'm going to do what I feel. You can do what you feel. Now, I've seen people eat pumpkins. I don't have the guts to do that. That's just crazy. Subs for trees. Subscribe so I can plant trees. We just hit 62 as of September 21st. Oh, well, you know what? This thing's so sharp. It just cuts through like butter. With or without the motor, alright? Because look, watch this. I don't know if you can see me doing this. God, I love technology. That smile, that demonic smile, and his awfully off-center eye, not good enough for me. No. I have another toy in my bags of toys. Okay. So I have my trusty Dremel here, and I have this bit on the end of it. If it would focus on it, there we go. Oh, I might be in the focus distance. Whatever, it's good enough, alright? So turn it on, Haven't said the 20, 21, 2000, 2000 RPM? I don't Yeah, it's plenty. But obviously a Dremel is not really meant to dig holes. Okay, a Dremel is really meant for what I'm about to show you. Ow! Mother of God, I regret my decisions. See, this is what a Dremel's really meant for. Writing. This kind of stuff. See? Subscribe. Gosh. Look at my face. Look at my face. I'm covered in pumpkin. My shirt is covered in pumpkin. I'm gonna take a shower probably. But now you gotta light your pumpkin up. And I have ways of doing this. This is what I call a candle. I would put the lid on, but flat break, okay. Oh, take a break. It's not punchy like normal because it's not getting oxygen. Well, that was fun. This is Dr. Sheep though. We have other means. Holy cow, I had shrapnel all the way back where I was standing. Oh, crap. So, you've all seen my air cannon before. This is a new pumpkin, by the way, completely different. And, well, I've made some projectiles here that were meant to be for a different video, but I never got around to it. So, this one is supposed to be a bullet. It looks like something else. Shut up. But whatever. And this one's just a cylinder of wood. These are poplar. Solid wood. We're going to see at 90 psi with my air cannon which does the most damage. If not, well, as you've seen, I have other methods of blowing up pumpkins. So, let's see how this goes. The bullet will be going first. And if it does so happen to just completely destroy this thing, I have another pumpkin, as I've said. 90 psi! 3, 2, 1. It went through! It went straight through. Am I zoomed all the way in? No, gosh darn it. It went clean through. 90 psi. 3, 2, 1. Oh, 3, 2. That had some kick. Holy cow. Let's zoom out. It didn't go through. But damn. It caused some damage. Okay, now knowing what I know now about these rockets and how dangerous they tend to be, I've thrown on some ear protection. Subs for trees. Subs for trees. Subs for trees. Subs for trees. Oh, you're still here? I thought I told you to go home. Oh, you want more? I'm flattered. Check out the playlist. If you want exclusive content, check out my Instagram, Dr_Sheep_YouTube. That's all lowercase. If you want to help the earth, subscribe. When I reach 100 subscribers, I'm going to plant 10 trees. If you feel that's too small, then check out my channel chart where I lay out even bigger goals. Finally, stick around for the next 20 seconds to give me that sweet watch time. Bye.